palpable uncertainty
There is
about
no
the state
question
of
that
the
we
world.
are at quite a unique point.
current climate
I'm not seeing any technology are only going to accelerate. Think about the technology we have today.
Welcome back. Today what I'm going to go over is the tax calculator. This one is super important as it's how you're going to find out the exact payment info for all the machines you close forever. So if you can't get here, check out my last video on how to log in for EWS for the first time, and let's get into it. So we're going to go to this distributor area again, drop down, tax calculator is right here. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. And then this is going to show you all of the different machines. So from Supers to SD501s to Anespas to Ukon, all the different combos, you can see them all here. So let's talk about the K8. So first, select the machine that you want, and then it'll say enter a destination address. Then what I recommend is you can look at this and see all the different payment methods. So for here, anywhere from 16 to a single payment. So if you wanted to do someone who's doing Enagic financing, we'll do that. And then what I always use is Enagic's address. So that's in Torrance, California, and it's 90503. And then what you do is you just hit check tax. So then on your order form, that'll show you this is the retail price number, this is the tax, the shipping, the handling, the down, the total, the monthly payment. And then, if you're going to go pick it up, then, you can go ahead and switch this off. And just keep in mind that inside of California, 9.5% is going to be pretty much the highest that you're going to have. So, what I try to do is memorize these numbers. So when people ask like, hey, how much is an SD501? How much is a K8? I know about how much on each machine, and that way it just gives them a good example. But if you're changing everything, like if someone's in San Bernardino County, it's going to be lower. So that's just something to keep in mind, which is pretty cool. And then if you're doing this, the cool thing too is if you have someone who's paying in full, you're actually not going to have that handling, so it's going to be less as far as the total cost. So there you go, there's that there. Let me show you for an SD501. Feel free to take some screenshots. So we saw it's $1360 for the down for a K8, $941 for a SD501, and the difference in payments $270 monthly for K8 and $225 here for the SD501. So that's pretty cool. If you're in San Bernardino, I believe it goes down to $861, which is pretty cool. And then the next one we'll show you is the Anespa. So we got this here. And there you go. So the website, if you can't, if you hit check tax and it doesn't work, it's probably just because of this right here. So 16 months is too long of a time period for this machine. So it says 12 months is the lowest you can do. So go back here, and there it is. So that's everything here. Now, people might have a question and say, okay, what's this E8PA thing? So E8PA is probably a whole nother training I'll have to do, but it's a special program inside of Enagic that's basically like their membership, their travel rewards. So if you don't have it, don't worry about it. And if you have any questions and the video is not up yet, then feel free to ask your upline, either 4A or 6A, and they'll be able to answer that question for you. But other than that, I hope this training helped, and just boost your confidence on getting quotes and getting used to doing this. In your Enagic business, this is something you're going to do on a daily basis. These are skills that you need to be able to close machines. So I hope in this video just helps you gain more confidence in learning how to do it. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.